Do you want to earn $260 or over $300 that can help you make money online? This is actually very easy and you can repeat this process over and over again. It is also 100% free, meaning you do not need any investment nor experience to earn money. It is also available worldwide, so you can do this anywhere you are. In this video, I will tell you how you can sign up for a free account. Aside from that, I will tell you some examples and the step-by-step procedure on how to do this. I will also give you a free template to use at the end of this video. With that, you can now start making PayPal money online. So stay tuned in this video and do not miss out any important details. A reminder before I share this YouTube hack, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let us proceed with the video. The website that I am telling you about is called Kaptera.com. I have two warnings before we continue. First, the sign-up process can be a little complicated. As you can see, this is the whole sign-up process. Literally, there are 3 steps that you need to follow. If you do not finish this video, you might not be able to sign up successfully. Thus, you won't be able to earn anything. The second warning is that you should watch out for the end of this video, as I will provide you a template for this hack. Now, let me tell you how it works. In Kaptera, they will pay you money just by writing reviews for various softwares. If you look at the website, you will see that there are hundreds and thousands of pieces of softwares that you can write about. All you need to do is write a simple review and you will earn for doing so. Do not worry, because it is okay if you do not have any technical skills nor experience. You can earn even if you are from anywhere in this world. Now, let us proceed on how to write the review. First, proceed to the homepage of Kaptera.com. Press the Write a Review link on the top. You will get redirected to another page where you will search for a specific product, company, or software that you can write about. There are also recommended softwares on the page that you can use in your review. So the first tip that I can give you is to focus on PowerPoint, because it is relatively easier and simpler than other softwares. So search for PowerPoint. When the results are shown already, scroll down and find the link right here that says PowerPoint by Microsoft. Press that and you will be redirected to a page where you will write a review about it. That is how you can write a review for PowerPoint. You can make $10 after doing this, and take note, it only takes less than 2 minutes to do it. Well, you can see at the end of the page that this is just step 1. There are 2 remaining steps to make a lot of money online. In the initial part of the first step, you will fill in some personal information. Put your first name, last name, and email address. You will also include a job title. For this part, follow the instructions that I will show you to ensure that you will do it right. In the title, put freelance on it. The job title is important as they won't accept your application if it is empty. Next, just put self-employed in the organization name. The next part is the industry. Put the current industry that you're working on. If you're not working on anything, just choose computer software. It just makes sense to choose computer software because you will write reviews about it. As for the company side, just pick on myself only. You will also be asked about how long you have used the software. On this part, do not choose the free trial because you won't earn from it. It is important to pick at least the minimum of 6 to 12 months to show that you have experience in using the software. You will also be asked about the frequency of your use. In the options, pick at least weekly. When asked about your role while using the software, choose the I am a user because it indicates that you are the one navigating the software. After that, the site will approve your review and you will earn money from it. For the next step, press the next button. You will rate the software by giving it stars. You can just choose and read anything. There are also other things that you will need to rate. As an example, the overall quality. I recommend that you rate it with 4 to 5 stars because this will increase your acceptance chance. In this case, notice that I gave 5 stars for these criteria such as the customer support and value for money. I also recommend you to read everything even if it is optional. Moving on, there is a question about the pricing of PowerPoint compared to similar products. Well, it is optional, but I want you to answer it still. I will just pick this one for that. Another question is, will you recommend PowerPoint to your friend or your colleague? For the PowerPoint case, I will choose 9 or 10 because it is really a good application that other people should use. Also, I will love to recommend it to others, so in this case, I will pick this. That is the second step. It won't take you more than 20 seconds to do this, so go ahead and try it. Now, press the next button to do the third and final step. The last step is the most important one in this hack. This is also the trickiest part, and a lot of people failed this part because they aren't sure about how to write a review. So, create a title for your review. In this review, you will write about the advantages and disadvantages of the applications. You will also describe your overall experience while using the application. I know that there are numerous steps that you need to follow and many people get stuck because they do not know what to include and how to proceed. Thus, please stay until the end of this video to learn how to do it yourself. Look at this. This is the script that I will share with you. It is a PowerPoint review and you can make $10 from doing this. Basically, it includes pros and cons of using PowerPoint. It also describes the overall experience of using this application. Now, what you should do is to copy this. Then you will paste it onto your review. This is important because you need to ensure that your first few reviews will be accepted. In this way, they will give you more applications to review and you can increase your earnings again and again. For many beginners, failure to get your first review accepted means that you will not get more apps to review in the future. However, my proven script will help you to get approved within 24 hours. It will also mean that you can now increase your earnings from this application. Copy the advantages and paste it here. Moving on, do it again for the disadvantage part. Copy and paste it on the review box. That is all you need to do for the 2 boxes. After that, you will need to describe the overall experience you had with PowerPoint. It is optional, but I encourage you to do it because a lot of people who earn money from this site are doing it too. It might sound complicated, but you can do it in less than 3 minutes, so go ahead and try it. After that, submit your work and repeat the process over and over again. Again, This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.